In today's practical class, let's start with how to customize the taskbar. A user can customize the taskbar as per his or her requirement. For that, which all steps are to be followed, let us see. First, step 1. Right click on the taskbar. See, taskbar settings are there as properties. You can click on properties. A small window will open where you can see all the settings are there. First, we will see by default lock the taskbar is activated so that it cannot move to any other place on the screen. Second, auto hide taskbar. See, by default it is deactivated, but if you want to activate, just click on the box and press on the OK button. You can see if you will put your pointer on the screen, no taskbar is there at the bottom of the screen, but when you will put the pointer on it, it will appear on the screen. Next, use small icon. We have used small icon on the taskbar so that many more programs can be opened at a time. Next, taskbar location on screen. By default it is bottom. If you want to change the taskbar position, then you can, if I will click top and press OK, see my taskbar has came on the top of the screen. Then come preview desktop with arrow pick. This is your taskbar. At the end of your taskbar you can see this one is your show desktop. To do this, let me open some application. If I will open some application like your Google Chrome, then let it be minimized, then pictures, let it be also minimized, we'll click it here. Then like games, I will minimize and keep it here. Okay, now you see. Now if it is open, one of the application is open like your Google Chrome, then what you have to do, and you want to see your desktop, so you will go to the show desktop, that is your pick button, and click it. See your desktop, automatically you can see your desktop. That means all the applications which are active on that time will minimize and be on the taskbar. Then come to the last one, taskbar button. See here 3 options are there. Always combine, hide label, combine when task is full, taskbar is full, and never combine. First we will see never combine. It shows each Windows label next to the icon and no piling of icon. Just you click on it and press OK. Whichever application we have opened came with their label. So now next, when you will click on the drop down and always combine, you will select the always combine and hide label, press OK. You can see that only application icons are there, no labels are to be seen. Then the last option, that is your combine when the taskbar is full. Press OK and see that when you will open many program, like we have opened Google Chrome, then this picture, then let me open document, then games, then some more program we will open up. Go to accessories, paint, Microsoft Power. In order to make the taskbar full, we are opening this application. Now you see the taskbar is almost full. Now if you will click on it, you can see that some of the application are piling up. Like see, in document if I have put the pointer, document and games are coming in one place. That means they are piling of icons. As because there is no space on this taskbar.